Welcome back to Noir Velocity. What if I told you BYD is preparing an electric SUV that could make premium rivals seriously nervous? Meet the all-new 2027 BYD Atto 8, a bold, futuristic SUV that combines aggressive styling, cutting-edge technology, and the kind of performance that proves electric vehicles are no longer just about efficiency. If you're curious about what the future of affordable premium EVs looks like, stay with me because this one might surprise you. The first thing that grabs your attention is the design. The 2027 BYD Atto 8 looks nothing like an ordinary family SUV. The sharp LED daytime running lights stretch across the front, giving it a modern light signature that instantly stands out. The closed-off grille, muscular front bumper, sculpted hood, and dramatic air intakes create a bold personality that feels sporty and sophisticated at the same time. From the side, the flowing body lines, black roof, flush door handles, and large alloy wheels give it a clean yet aggressive stance. Move to the rear and you'll find a full-width LED light bar that makes the SUV instantly recognizable at night. Whether it's parked or cruising through the city, the Atto 8 has the kind of road presence that turns heads everywhere. Power is where things become even more interesting. While official specifications may vary depending on the market, the 2027 BYD Atto 8 is expected to feature a powerful dual-motor electric drivetrain, delivering impressive all-wheel drive capability. Instant electric torque means acceleration is smooth, silent, and incredibly quick. Expect a 0 to 100 km/h time of around 4.5 to 5 seconds, putting it in the company of much more expensive performance SUVs. Since it's fully electric, you won't hear a traditional exhaust note, but instead experience the futuristic silence combined with a subtle electric motor sound that makes every launch feel effortless. The instant response from the accelerator makes city driving exciting while highway overtakes happen with absolute confidence. Step inside and the cabin immediately feels premium. Soft touch materials, elegant ambient lighting, premium leather upholstery, and high-quality finishes create an upscale atmosphere that rivals luxury brands. The front seats are supportive, spacious, and designed for long-distance comfort, while rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and a flat floor thanks to the dedicated EV platform. A panoramic glass roof fills the cabin with natural light, making the interior feel even larger and more inviting. The driver's cockpit is clearly focused on technology. A large floating touchscreen serves as the heart of the infotainment system, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, voice commands, and connected smart features. A crisp digital instrument cluster provides all the important driving information, while a premium sound system transforms every journey into a concert on wheels. Wireless phone charging, multiple USB-C ports, over-the-air software updates, customizable ambient lighting, and intelligent climate controls make everyday driving effortless and enjoyable. Safety has become one of BYD's strongest selling points, and the Atto 8 continues that trend. Expect advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, 360-degree surround view cameras, traffic sign recognition, driver attention monitoring, and intelligent parking assistance. Combined with BYD's latest battery technology and rigid body structure, the Atto 8 aims to deliver confidence as well as comfort for families and daily commuters alike. When it comes to pricing, the 2027 BYD Atto 8 could become one of the strongest value propositions in the electric SUV market. If BYD positions it competitively, buyers may receive premium styling, advanced technology, strong performance, and impressive driving range for significantly less than many European or American rivals. That's exactly the formula that has helped BYD become one of the fastest-growing EV manufacturers in the world. So is the 2027 BYD Atto 8 worth waiting for? Based on everything we've seen so far, the answer looks very promising. It combines futuristic styling, exciting electric performance, a premium interior, advanced safety, and excellent value into one impressive package. If BYD delivers on these expectations, the Atto 8 could easily become one of the most desirable electric SUVs of 2027. What do you think about the new BYD Atto 8? Would you choose it over a Tesla Model Y, Hyundai Ioniq 5, or Kia EV5? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Noir Velocity, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest automotive reviews and future car reveals.